Hey everyone, welcome to class number 9. So today we have a bonus content we have VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. We will cover two topics. So let me show you directly an example. Okay, for example, I have a table. Okay, so here in the products column we have products, camera, phone, laptop, and the other we have prices. Here we have sales. Okay, so let me refine the column once and let me make it into currency format first of all. Yeah, here it is. All right. All right. So what I'm saying that if suppose this is a very long column, okay, if someone says that if someone asks that what is the price and total sale of a fridge. Here we have fridge, right? So first what you have to do, we have do we go directly here 25 and then this then fridge? No. Basically how does we find it? First of all we vertically go down, okay, and we find out the main key, which is fridge. Then we check out fridge, then we can find out this and this, right? Similarly someone can say what is the price of pulses price and total sale. So you will again check it out, pulses and their prices, right? So basically whatever quantity, whatever product, we have to check. So immediately we go, we check out first at all here we at which place this is, right? Then we find out. So first this is called lookup. Means lookup means to search, to find, to try to find something, someone, right? So what we are looking at, we are looking vertically first at all. What is exactly we need blanket. Okay, check it, blanket is here, 40,000 and this, correct? All right, so in this how it works, right? So we say it looking vertically, right? So here I have applied a formula. I will write something here. Okay, I write charger, 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 and see, charger 48,096, correct? Let me change it with another, laptop 44 and 96, laptop 44 and 96. Let's check with fridge. Okay, fridge. So fridge 54,000 and 52, correct? So it is called V lookup, vertical lookup, right? V for vertical. All right. So why we are vertical saying it? Because first at all, if you say, Yogesh, find out what about MacBook. So first at all, I will find out where is MacBook. This is a common procedure, right? Although right now I am quite memorized the whole table, so immediately I am checking, or I have less data, so immediately I can check immediately here it is, right? But if I am having that much longer table like this, right? So then how I will work, right? So to use this, we use this VLOOKUP formula. Okay, so how does it work? First of all, we have to determine what we need to find. We need both, so we can make a column. Okay, first of all what I will do, I will, okay, first of all I will make a heading here. Okay, first of all I'll make a table. Here it is. Okay, so what I'm planning, that here I will write down the product whatever I want. Okay, so I will write here product name. Okay, here I want sale, sorry, price. Here I want sale. So the price column I will convert it into number format, currency format, sorry, and sale will remain as it is. So what I am planning, whatever I change here, I want the price and the sale here. Okay, so what I will do, see here, I will use the VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP bracket. Okay, first at all, if for make it easy for you, as I write V look up, right? So I get a suggestion here, right? I get a suggestion, right? Like this. So what I will do, I'll click on this suggestion. VLOOKUP. I'll click on VLOOKUP. Okay. I have clicked in VLOOKUP. Then I got some suggestion like lookup value, table array, and all the things, right? So first of all, lookup value. So what is the lookup value? Lookup value is the value that I'm trying to find here whatever I want, that here whatever I'm writing I should get the value here, right? So lookup value is basically this cell, the product cell. Okay, so I will click on lookup value, and once is it's darker, so I will click on product cell here, because here in A17 I want whatever I write, I want the value for the selected cell where I am applying the formula, correct? A17 is the lookup value, then table array. So in this table array, I will select all the table. Okay. Then I will write column index number. COL stands for column. So I will click on column index number first at all. It will become darker. So I have clicked darker. Now I will write. So I have three column, number one column, two column, three column. So the price value is in two column, and I am here finding the value, right? Here I am applying the formula. So I will write column index number 2, and the range lookup I will write false, FALSE, always false. Okay, and it's done. Then I will click on green tick and see I got the answer. Okay, means now I will change it. Okay, so I have written product, I write spices, SPICES, spices. So see, spices I got 56,000, so I got 56. Now similarly I will here change the formula. Okay, so again I will apply VLOOKUP. I got the suggestion, click on suggestion. First of all, lookup value, it's already darkened, right? I haven't clicked yet, but it's darkened. Lookup value, so lookup value is again same, spices, A17 cell. Table array will remain same. Okay, column index, this time column index is 3 1 2, because here we are finding the sales, so sales we are finding here, so it will same, it will 3 not 2, and range lookup will always false, and done. And I got 98. Now change blanket. Let's find out blanket, green tick, and see blanket 50,037, 50,037. So it is called VLOOKUP. Okay, and if I rotate the table, so we can say it HLOOKUP. Okay, so let me show you an example, give me a moment. Alright, so see, there's a different setting here. We can see some in the horizontal order, we have the names A B C D E, we have their marks. Okay, it's very basic. Alright, so it's very simple setting we have to understand. So what I'm planning is, here I will write the names, here I will get the marks. This is I want that if I write A here, A, okay, so immediately I get the marks here, right? So what the setting will, like if someone says find out the marks of D, so basically the human mind will go first at all here, he will the mind will find D horizontally, then find out the 80 marks, right? So that's why it's called horizontal. We'll look up H look. So what I will do, I want here, so in this cell I want the value, right? In this cell, down cell, so what I will do is equal to H lookup, and I got the suggestion H lookup. I will click on it. Lookup value will be the place where I want to change the names, right? Table array would be like this. Okay, row index number, now row index, so we have one row, one is 1, second is 2, so the values I want from 2 value, column row number 2, so I will click on row index, I will click 2, and again range lookup would be FALSE, false, and it's done, false. Okay, and click. See, now I have applied. Okay, again I am telling you how to apply the formula. Okay, so is equal to, first at all you have to apply is equal to, then H lookup. So just click on H lookup, you see lookup value, it's gray, so you can directly click on the blank cell where you want to change the names, right? And then table array, click on table array first, it will become gray, then select the tables. All right, row index number, first tap on row index number, once it become gray then write 2 because second row we are finding out. For range lookup, tap on range lookup, it becomes gray, then write down false, and that's it. Okay, and just click on green tick directly and see, now apply. If you want to apply B tick, you got 30, right? If you write A, you got 70. Okay, so it is called VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. I hope you understood. Please demonstrate it.